What is WebSocket? WebSocket is communication protocol that provides full duplex two-way real-time communication between a client, usually a browser, and a service over a single long live connection. Key feature of WebSocket: full duplex. Both client and server can send messages to each others independently. Low latency. Ideal for real-time apps, chat, gaming, live data feed. Persistent connection, unlike HTTP, which open to close, and each request WebSocket keep the connection open. Work over TCP and supporting secure connection, SSWSS, like HTTPS. How WebSocket works: the client sends an HTTP WebSocket handshake request. The server responds and upgrades the connection to the WebSocket. Both sides can now send and receive messages at any time until once close the connection. When to use WebSocket: live chat apps, online gaming, real-time dashboards, collaborative tools, Google Docs like stock market or sports update, IoT, interest of thinking communication. Thank you for watching.